Hello, in this video we are going to check out Inception Mercury 2. This is a diffusion LLM. This is one of the first diffusion LLMs. I know that Google tampered with this. So basically this is working differently than a normal LLM. This is working like an image LLM. Basically it doesn't put each token one after another. It just scrambles everything in there, and it's working as a diffusion one, like you are seeing for images. The most important part of this is the fact that it has OpenAI-compatible endpoint, and it is 5 times faster than the other model. It has like 1000 tokens per second, which is impressive. It has thinking, and we are going to test it and see how well it does. And in here, if we're going to check the website, you're gonna see the details about it. You can go and try it. They have also a chat like this in here that we can go and directly chat with it. So build Python in Snake. This is just to show you, and I've enabled the diffusion effect so we can see. So right now you see that it's in the details. Again, this is an effect, I think, and at the end you have the output, which is provided in one go. You see that it was very fast in here. And if we're going to check, for instance, I've created in here a page, we're going to see that this Mercury 2 model, it has like 1000 tokens per second. The context window, it's smaller, it's only 128, but it's enough, and it has access to all the context at once. That's the difference. And in here you see that how these things are working. Basically the tokens are generated simultaneously, not one by one as an old LLM. Okay, here you have some details. So basically it will go with step 1 with the noise. It will go with first step and put the things together. It will refine it, and it will provide you the details. So basically it is 5 times faster, and the price, it's quite affordable. You see that it has like for 1 million tokens 25 cents, and for the output 75 cents. So it is very affordable. We're going to see how smart it is because I haven't tested it. This one can be used quite good for real-time voice application agents, and it can help you like speed a lot of things. Again, this is OpenAI compatible, and to run it you just put the base URL with the model in there, and you should do that. I already done this in some coding models, and I am in their website in here, and they are providing 10 million free tokens that you can use. And in here you see that you have some limits, 100 API requests per second in the free plan. I hope I will not have problems, because it is very fast and it will do a lot of requests. And yeah, in here you have the billing thing, and yeah, basically this is their website. You see that in the free plan you have 10 million free tokens, so you can go and try it yourself with these free tokens. This one, it's also on OpenRouter. In here you see it doesn't have the 1000 tokens per second, it is 400, but it's very fast. And right now what I've did, I have configured the Droid to work with this. It's using directly the Mercury API, not the OpenRouter one. And in here I put it, and I've created an Astro website, and we are going to provide him this prompt. So basically it should use the front-end design skill to create this Astro website, which has Tailwind and Astro installed, and I want him to create SVGs, menu, footer sections, and things like that. I want to see how well it follows the instruction, if he is able to create everything. I want to see him how he's creating SVGs, if he's testing this at the end, how well it works with Astro. It has knowledge up to January 2025, so it's quite new. And let's go and hit this like this, and I am using Superset for this to work with Droid, because it offers a better interface. Okay, skill, it is loaded the skill, and you see in here that is quite fast. It has read all the details very fast, and it is creating the logo right now for us, which is not very big. But we're going to see right now. He's thinking. Let's see. And yeah, this is Superset, and I've created a video with these tools that can help you code in parallel with agents. You have this nice interface that you can use, and in case you want to, let's say, code easier and faster with your CLI tools, go and check this. And yeah, right now I see that he is thinking. We are going to wait for him. Right now what he did is just went very fast and checked the project and created only the logo for us. And yeah, we're going to wait and see. I see it had an error, which I don't like. I will tell it to continue. Maybe it is too fast for his own goods. Okay, it created a base layout. It's reading the index. Again, it's staying. Let's see, usage in here. So bad request. I don't know what he doesn't like. Maybe these tools. Okay, it is going and it is creating the header, footer, and other things. That fail was for the other thing. I see it tries to read the tailwind config, which is not needed. Okay, it has the plan in here. I see it created some basic things. I don't expect this to be very smart, but again, it is taking some time to think. It's losing a lot of time. I don't think this model it will be quite good for coding. Maybe other things are its strengths, except speed. Because the speed it's for sure. Okay, SEO, service card. So it's creating all these cards for us right now. The good thing in here is the fact that he laid out a good plan, and he will also build and test the website at the end, which is a nice addition. It is thinking correctly. Okay, service card. It's quite chaotic, I see. It still tries to find this tailwind config. Yeah, maybe these CLI tools are not ready maybe for it. I don't know. But it's using an OpenAI-compatible API, so it should be able to work properly with it. But yeah. Okay, about page. So it created everything to about. So in here we have footer, header, hero, SEO, service card. Okay, let's see what else it's in here. So 103 was the last log. So you see that it has also some errors. Bad request. This one has an error. This one is successful. Okay, it's modifying the index page. So it should finish. It's creating the icons, I see. Pages, about, and index. Base layout, I think. Yeah, header, footer. Okay, index page. It should have the other things like hero services and so on. We're going to see. So right now it is updating the index page, and it should create the services page and contact page and so on. This wasn't too fast, 10 minutes, and not a lot of lines were created. So I guess because of the errors that it's giving, it is slowing this down. So he is about to finish right now. He installed Tailwind 3 configuration file, so it doesn't have the right details about Tailwind CSS4 because it doesn't need a configuration file. I'm curious to see if this project will work. Also, he's trying to do something with Python in here to start this. I don't know. Let me run npm run dev like this. I'm curious to see if it will work or not. We can open also in here, but I'm gonna use my thing, so it has problems. Let's see if he is able to see them. Okay, npm run build, and right now he's trying to fix the problems. Let's let him work. Okay, so he managed to fix the error, and this is how it looks. It is very, very basic and not nice. So yeah, he's not a very good model at designing a front end. And let me see what he's doing. Okay, it is trying to write the status. I will gonna stop it. Okay, another thing that I want to try with this is to use Zed. So Zed is the fastest editor out there, and in here I've configured in Zed, same project, and I will gonna tell it to do the same thing, but right now it will gonna use the Zed agents, and I'm curious to see if it will work better in Zed. So basically in Zed you are just adding the details in there. Okay, let's wait, because being fast again is doing a lot of things. At least in here it tells you the details, it's creating the logos, and being fast you'll have a lot of requests that are made. I'm just curious to see if maybe Zed it's a better tool. But the thing is that in here you're just making 3 or 4 requests and then you are hitting the limits. I will pause this and let him finish with this retry, so we can see if he did a better job at the end. So after a few retries he tells he finished, but he didn't create it much. I don't know. He didn't test it. Let me install everything and then npm run dev, so we can see. Yeah, it didn't even work with Zed. It didn't create something usable. At least in Droid it tried to create something. So yeah, I mean, this model doesn't have to be created to work with these CLI tools or coding tools. You receive a lot of rate limiting requests from, at least from the plan that I am on, the free one. So it's not really let's say a coding one, and we're gonna see in the future how well it will do. So that's it. In case you have your points on this, just drop a comment down below so everyone can know.